Hi, in this video I will show you how to get gold nodes on Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. For creating this video I choose my wife's phone because she has the new features and I for some reason doesn't have this new feature, but I will solve it in a time and I will share it with you if you have the same issue to creating gold nodes. But let's create the gold node. Okay, go to your Instagram profile section and add the new node. Okay, just tap on that. And if you want to make the node gold, looking gold, you have to use some of the following words like gold, medal, champion, victory, Olympics, and some other words. Okay, you have to look for them, which of the following words you can use. Let's say that I will put here he won, or he is my hero, hero, and I will share it. It's not in the with the gold background, okay, because I doesn't use the following I doesn't use the word that it will make the background gold. Okay, let's say I will use he won gold and now share it. Okay, and can you see it? It's in the gold background. Okay, you can use some other words like he is my champion. Okay, and it's also in the gold background. So I will share with you on the end of this video all the related keywords that you can use for creating this background. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and share it with your friends or subscribe to my channel. Thanks, it's gonna help me.